Welcome to my channel Area Krakow and Poland Experience. We are in a special city, which is a city on the border of Poland called Cieszyn. And we are close to the border between the Polish Republic and the Czech Republic. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading newer videos. And hope that you will enjoy and put your comments below. So let's get started. We are heading to a bridge that will allow us to move from one country to the other. Currently we are in the Polish territory, and we can see at the far there is a sign saying Czech Republic. We are crossing a bridge on a river, and this is the breakpoint where we are moving from Poland to the Czech Republic. So here is Poland, and now I'm in the Czech Republic. And the sign over here says that we are on the border to cross to Poland. And over here, the same city is being called differently, Cieszyn. We are actually currently moved to the Czech Republic. We can see that streets over here are being called with bilingual name. Aleja Pokoj, and of course in Czech it's something else. And this is how easy it is to cross in the European Union between one country to the other one. The river that we have crossed is called River Olza. Currently we are looking on that same river from the Czech Republic side. Just a short tour in the Czech Republic. And we will be heading back to the Polish territory. It's almost not notable that we have moved to another country. We can also see scripting in other languages, including Arabic, as you can see. This is a tea house, as well as in Hebrew. Here near the border, every street is bilingual, Polish as well as Czech. You can see a sign here saying that that way would take us to the Cieszyn Polish side. So let's head back to the Polish side. An amazing wall painting on the Czech side. We have an actual sign that explains what this is all about. This is related to Nicholas Copernicus. Just amazing. Back to the same bridge. Currently we are on the Czech side. And the sign says, "Welcome to the Polish Republic." Hope you have enjoyed this short video. Put your comments if you would like, subscribe, and I will see you at the next video. Today is Saturday, the 25th of January 2025. Bye!